Newton's laws of motion are fundamental principles that describe how objects behave in our universe. Let's dive into each of these laws and explore their implications in our daily lives. First, we have Newton's first law, often referred to as the law of inertia. This law states that an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will continue in motion at a constant velocity unless acted upon by a net external force. Think about it. When you're riding in a car that suddenly stops, your body lurches forward. That's inertia at work. It's the reason why seatbelts are so important. They provide the external force needed to keep you safely in your seat. Now, let's move on to Newton's second law, which is all about the relationship between force, mass, and acceleration. This law is encapsulated in the equation F equals ma, where F is the force applied, m is the mass of the object, and a is the acceleration produced. This means that the greater the mass of an object, the more force you need to accelerate it. For example, pushing a shopping cart filled with groceries requires more effort than pushing an empty one. This law helps us understand everything from how cars accelerate to how rockets launch into space. Finally, we have Newton's third law, which states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This is why when you jump off a small boat, the boat moves backward. Your action of jumping forward pushes the boat in the opposite direction. This principle is crucial in understanding how various systems work, from the propulsion of airplanes to the way fish swim through water. These laws are not just theoretical. They have practical applications in engineering, sports, and even space exploration. Engineers use these principles to design safer vehicles, athletes apply them to improve their performance, and scientists rely on them to send spacecraft beyond our planet. Understanding Newton's laws can change the way we perceive the world around us. They explain why things move the way they do and help us predict the outcomes of various physical interactions. If you have any questions or doubts about these concepts, feel free to comment below. Your feedback is valuable, and we want to hear what you think. If there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover next, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Bird Story Telugu, and hit the bell icon to get updates on our latest videos. Your engagement helps us create more content that you love.